We all aspire to have clean windows and clean mirrors. Nothing is less attractive than toothpaste spots above the sink or dirt in your line of sight while driving. It should go without saying, but having a good glass cleaner is the key to a good view. Finding the perfect glass cleaner can be overwhelming with so many options available, each offering unique features, benefits, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've done extensive research, analyzed countless reviews, and curated a list of the best glass cleaners from trusted brands. These products are specifically chosen to help people like you find comfort and support. For pricing and additional details, don't forget to check the description below. Now, let's dive straight into the video. Number 1. Best Budget. Windex Original Glass Cleaner. You know the name Windex. In fact, you probably grew up with a bottle of Windex in your household cleaning arsenal. This under-$3 pick comes with more than 24,000 reviews and a 4.8 star rating on Amazon. It works effectively and leaves behind a clean, streak-free finish ideal for light-duty applications. It does contain ammonia and comes with a pretty strong scent to mask the chemical. I was curious to see where the common household Windex Original Glass Cleaner ranked after our testing. It did well in categories like even spray and having a nozzle that offers several different types of streams. However, the cleaner wasn't able to clean the mirror and window as well as other cleaners, including a handful of ammonia-free options. Number 2. Windex Multi-Surface Disinfectant Cleaner. If you're looking to streamline your cleaning routine, Windex Multi-Surface Disinfectant Cleaner is about as close to one-size-fits-all as it gets. Yes, it cleans glass and mirrors, but it can also be used to wipe down chrome fixtures, glass cooktops, bathroom tile, shower doors, and more, as it contains more grease and grime-cutting ingredients than typical window cleaners. Just like other disinfecting cleaners, you need to leave this version of Windex on hard, non-porous surfaces for 10 seconds to sanitize them and for 10 minutes to disinfect and kill germs, like viruses and bacteria. Use it in the kitchen, bathroom, or wherever you want a deeper clean. It has a citrus scent and may take a bit of extra buffing on glass windows, doors, and mirrors to completely remove all streaks. Windex Disinfectant Multi-Surface Cleaner kills 99.9% of germs that may be hiding in your home and works on lifting dirt and smudges on hard, non-porous surfaces right away. A crisp and tangy citrus fresh scent makes this disinfectant spray a great choice to make your home look spotless. Use it to clean and disinfect mirrors, countertops, tables, doorknobs, and more, all with a streak-free shine. Let this disinfectant cleaner get to work so you don't have to. To clean, all you have to do is spray the surface and wipe. Number 3. Rain-X 2-in-1 Glass Cleaner and Rain Repellent. While you can use a standard glass cleaner on your car windows, Rain-X 2-in-1 Glass Cleaner and Rain Repellent is our top pick for various reasons. Keep in mind, cleaners with ammonia are not safe for tinted windows and can cause cracking, peeling, and fading. Rain-X thoroughly cleans and removes road spray, bugs, and water residue from windows while simultaneously applying a water bead technology to enhance driving visibility. The rain repellent causes water to bead up and roll away, while also preventing sleet, snow, ice, and more from sticking to the glass. Like with our other glass cleaner recommendations, you simply spray onto the glass, wipe with a clean cloth, then wipe again with a new, dry cloth to create a streak-free finish. Our tester noticed more clarity and visibility in the driver's side window and rearview mirror using this product compared to others that do not include a rain repellent. Fast and easy to use. Just spray on and wipe away with no buffing required. Cleans automotive glass streak-free. Repels rain by causing water to bead up and roll away. Helps prevent and remove sleet, snow, ice, bugs, and road spray from sticking to glass. Number 4. Windex Pre-Moisten Glass Wipes. For situations where using or lugging around a spray bottle would be a hassle, Windex glass cleaning wipes are a convenient solution. Stash a pack in the car to clear finger and nose smudges left behind by kids or pets, and even bird dropping that appear out of nowhere on your windshield. Our team of experts tested them in the lab and at home and found them especially effective and useful to clean crystal light fixtures and the small panes of glass front cabinets, as they don't drip and you don't have to carry and juggle a cumbersome bottle and separate cloth while climbing a ladder. Windex wipes aren't recommended for use on granite or marbled. Gentle wipes with a fresh, pleasant crystal rain fragrance that gently removes smudges, fingerprints, and dust without damaging or leaving any residue behind. works on: cleaning mirrors, car glass, windows, auto glass, shower glass, stovetop glass, household glass surfaces, and more. Number 5. Glass Plus Glass Cleaner. This ammonia-free cleaner doesn't have much of a smell. There is only one spray setting, but that spray is even and wide. We really liked using Glass Plus and the fact that it leaves minimal streaks. I was especially impressed with its powerful cleaning of the jelly mixture on the window, so much so that I used it at the end of the day to clean my window of all the leftover powder and resulting stickiness. Are you tired of the streaks other cleaners leave behind? Glass Plus trigger cuts through dirt, grease, and grime to leave a streak-free shine on many of the surfaces in your home. Of course, it's great on windows and mirrors, but it also works its magic on appliances, countertops, ceramic tile, vanities, and more. Use it on chrome, aluminum, stainless steel, and fiberglass too. That's it for today. I create helpful videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. If you're looking for additional details or want to check the product prices, you'll find all the information in the description. Have questions or need assistance? Feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more amazing products to make your life easier.